Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the easiest way to make beautiful woolen flower with pencils. To begin, wrap around the wool on two pencils for 25 times. Please wrap smoothly. After the wrapping, then tie to secure. Now pass two strands of wool right at the middle of the two pencils and then use that to tie the woolen design. At this point, put the woolen design out from the pencils and then tie firmly to secure. Make the little pieces 5 and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Touch a medium sized bead right at the center of the woolen flower to make it seamless and beautiful. This is one of the easiest and most beautiful woolen flower to make. I trust you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.